This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Elizabeth Rennie. Charming ranch home ready for your personal touch. This home features a large living room perfect for gatherings and an open, roomy kitchen with plenty of space for cooking and dining. The kitchen offers solid wood cabinets and has access to outside. 2 of the 3 bedrooms are very generous in size. This home feels bigger than the square footage shows. While the home could use some TLC and upgrading, it presents a fantastic opportunity for those looking to customize their living space. The expansive yard offers plenty of outdoor space for gardening, entertaining, or simply enjoying the outdoors. Behind the home you will find a 2-car carport with a concrete pad and electricity. This home is located in an established neighborhood at the end of a dead-end road and is only a minute away from the local grocery store and restaurants. October 22, 2024. For more information, review the details below.